Hello, I welcome you all to this another interesting screencast. The problem reads: the 30 pounds box A is released from rest and slides down along the smooth ramp. Smooth here we mean no friction, and onto the surface of the cart. If the cart is prevented from moving, determine the distance s from the end of the cart to where the box stops. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the cart and the box is 0.6. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics and Dynamics 14th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. Let's draw the free body diagram. So we have the weight acting through the center of gravity, and then there we go. The box, that's the final position after it has moved. Okay, and then we do have the normal force. Here we don't have any friction. Then here, when the box lands onto this cart, it's going to experience friction opposing its motion, like so. So this is the normal force, and this is friction Fk. This is the normal force. We have the weight W, If you've seen, S is being measured on the left side of C. So therefore we can work out this in advance. If you don't, you can come and work this afterwards. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. For me, I'll do it in advance. So this distance here is a 10 minus S. Make sense? So we are using the principle of work and energy. So the initial kinetic energy of the box at A plus the total work done from point A to C is equal to the final kinetic energy at C. Since the box is released from rest, therefore this is 0 because it's starting from rest. So this is 0, so we'll say 0 plus total work. Here we have the work due to the weight, which is just W. Let me call this HA. We have the weight like so. My HA here, my HA is just equal to, so I'm just saying my HA here is equal to 4 feet. So I have the weight going down, I have the displacement like so. This gives me positive weight. Is that okay? Of course. Right, so this, then we have the moment the box goes onto the cart, is going to experience a friction force. Therefore, we're going to have work which is going to be negative. We have friction like this, Fk, and we have the displacement like this. This gives us negative work. Alright, so we're going to have a minus Fk times S naught times, we've denoted that as 10 minus S. And since this box is going to come to a stop, therefore the final kinetic energy is just going to be equal to 0. So let's find what Fk is. We say summation of forces in the y direction is equal to MAY, and AY we know is equal to 0. Therefore we know our N minus W is just equal to 0, and our N is equal to W. Therefore our Fk, which is equal to mu k times N, is just going to be equal to mu k times W. Right, so our W there is a 30 times HA, which is a 4, okay, minus Fk, we have 0.6 times W, which is 30, okay, times 10 minus S, then this is equal to 0. Okay, this and this can go. Therefore, we'll have 10 minus S is just equal to 4 divided by 0.6. Therefore S, okay, is just going to be equal to a 10 minus 4. This is 0.6. Okay. Therefore S will just be equal to 4 divided by 0.6, and then subtract that from 10, we get a 3.33 feet. Alright, so that is the distance S from the end of the cut where the box will stop. I think this is about it. We found S, and I hope this particular video was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and sharing my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next screen.